Can you start? Yo. Alright, so what up guys? I'm gonna install, I bought this off Amazon. It's a OBD2 HUD, or little display. It says it displays the boost, so we're gonna try that out. Forgot the brand of it, but oh, here you go. Right there. I'll put the link in the description. Let's try it out. Let's hope it works good. It comes with obviously the gauge, the OBD2 power cable. It comes with extra double-sided, and it also comes with a suction cup. I don't know if I'm gonna use this. I might just use the double-sided. So let's see where we can put it. Just drop the cable through the AC. Is this bolted down?
Oh, sorry.
Bro. We'll say BMW has the worst AC vents because fucking one little thing to the left or right, that shit adjusts like fucking crazy. Oh shit, I had this. Fuck.
Fortunately for me, I already had this off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just route it behind the pedal. Oh, I could do that way. Never mind. Let's just be smart about it.
trying to find the best way to feed this water. I think I just found it. So I just really need to be able to grab the fucking cable. Fucking push that shit out of the weather strip. There we go. I don't like that kinking that was happening, so if you see kinking happening, try to get rid of that. Alright, so that's what it looks like while driving. Honestly, I really like this thing. It's sick. So I have my boost pressure and I have my AFRs on the side with little kilometers per hour. I mean, the speed I wish I could change to the boost gauge, but you know, I guess maybe I could figure that out somehow. But yeah, this thing is pretty fucking cool. I'm not gonna lie. Damn. Why is my coolant getting so fucking high up, though? Shit. That's not good. Yeah, but that's how it looks. I'd say get it.